So what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove my facial hair. And just to give y'all a little background on what I'm working with, this is my facial hair. And yeah, so I did do a little patch test. That's one of the patch tests right there. I should have did it smaller than that, but I don't know, I guess I was just eager and I knew it wasn't gonna do nothing to my face. So yeah, so make sure you do a patch test to make sure it doesn't mess up your face or anything. But now I'm using the Nair face cream, and this is what I use to remove my facial hair. So you want to make sure you get a pretty decent layer on your skin. You don't want it to be too thin, because if you do it too thin, it's not gonna pick up any hair. And you want to make sure you do it even, because if you miss some hairs, they will stick out like a sore thumb after you take this cream off. So now that I got it to the thickness that I want, I'm starting my timer for 5 minutes. And so yes, I let this stuff sit on for 5 minutes and I just chill out. So I really just want to talk about why I'm using the Nair. So I do have my a whole waxing kit, and it's the little bead wax where it doesn't adhere to your skin. It's supposedly better, but that is so painful, and I bought that and I really cannot inflict pain on myself, because I go to the whole waxing place, European wax in there, and I get my I get that thing waxed, you know. So it's like, I don't know, I just feel like it is painless to an extent, because it definitely my lip was burning for a little bit, so it's painless to an extent. So it's not like the constant of ripping and burning. So yeah, now the time is up, so I'm just gonna take a wet cloth. I'm using paper towels because I do not like using towels for some reason. To do this, I feel like it just, I don't know, I don't want that in my towel. So I'm using a wet paper towel, and I have really soft paper towels too, so it's convenient that I'm using it on my face. But as you can see, all that hair I took off. So yeah, and so I missed some spots, so I gotta go back and get that hair. So now I'm just gonna do the other side and do some touch-up areas that I missed on the other side, and my uni. I like to get my unibrow with this stuff, because if I use my little razor that I like to use for my eyebrows, my unibrow will be back the next day. That's not happening. So yeah. So I also wanted to come on here and mention why I remove my facial hair. Some people just go about their life without removing their facial hair, but I just feel like my makeup comes out the best, the smoothest, and then my skin overall just looks better. Like, I'm a hairy person, so I need to remove my lip hair and my beard. Like, it just has to happen. Like, I'm just one of those girls. So thank y'all so much for watching. We are butter soft smooth now. If y'all could please like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll be back with more videos. Bye.